Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Flexbox Froggy patterns for UI alignment, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Flexbox Froggy website. This is where you will find the interactive game for learning Flexbox. Locate the patterns section on the home page. Click on it to explore different UI alignment patterns. You will see various pattern designs available for download. Select the specific pattern you wish to download. Each pattern usually has a preview to help you choose. Once you've made your selection, locate the download button. Click on the download button to save the pattern file. The file will typically save in your default download folder. Navigate to the folder where your downloads are saved. Locate the downloaded pattern file in that folder. If necessary, extract the file if it's in a compressed format. Open the extracted folder to see the pattern files. Now, you can use these patterns in your projects. This is a great way to implement Flexbox in your UI designs. You may also want to review the accompanying documentation. This documentation can provide additional context and usage tips. Make sure to check the license terms for using the patterns. You are now ready to incorporate Flexbox Froggy patterns into your UI alignment tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.